Hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Megha.
Where are you from?
Basically, right now I live in Idaho, but I'm from Chennai, India.
Okay. How long have you been in the US?
About 2 years, I would say.
Where do you currently work and what's your position?
I work in a protein company called Glanbia Nutritionals, and I'm a food scientist.
Okay. How much do you make annually? You can just give a range.
70 to 90,
And how much are you able to save monthly?
half my paycheck.
Do you think it was worth it coming to the US?
Honestly, no, it was not because even though no matter if you graduate from a Ivy League college like Cornell or any other college, all you guys end up in the same place. Like even I am there, and my friend or my roommate who graduated from not an Ivy League but equally good college also works in the same company that I do. And you can come to the US for a short time to gain experience to broaden your horizons about what the world has to offer, the technology.
Yeah.
But I think I would not settle here for eternity or for the rest of my life.
Did you study in the US?
Yes, I did my master's, a professional degree from the US.
What was your university and major?
I graduated from Cornell University and my major was food science.
What's one thing that you wished you knew before coming for masters?
I would say scholarship programs or side jobs supporting immigrants to earn quick money, part time jobs, which
Yeah.
helps in college, aids them to earn a little extra cash for daily expenses.
What do you love about the US?
I think people are more outgoing here. People are not lazy as they are in my country. And people are more open to have general conversations. They are more friendlier and easy to approach, I would say. And since there are a lot of immigrants coming in, I think US citizens are also welcoming enough. Of course, there are racism in some places, but I think they show a very welcoming nature towards anybody who approaches them for help or for any other suggestions.
One advice to a person who's planning to move abroad.
I think a good research about the country is important. People think coming to the US is a big dream, life is going to improve after coming to the US, but honestly, it's not. Especially after people move to the US, they always feel like going back to their country.
Yeah.
I always feel like going back to India.
Okay.
It just looks good from the outside, but on the inside, you do wish things were different. But now we have come here, we have to live here for certain amount of years. So I would say talk to people, ask them how they really feel about the country before you decide to move
Yeah.
into the country and probably settle in the future.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.